Hi folks, I decided to build a really simple remote controller for my CNC, but because sometimes it's really hard to watch where the tool is and watching the keys on your keyboard and what are you pressing. So I found almost new enclosure which is ideal for this remote control. So I decided to place two keys for each axis, a shift key and one for play pause key, but it can be assigned later to whatever you want. Here I draw a really simple schematic for this remote control. So here are the buttons, the header for the emergency stop button, the header for potentiometer for controlling the speed of the jogging, and the header for output connector. So let's take a look to the PCB. So here is the PCB. Like I said, those are buttons, the headers for emergency stop and for potentiometer, and here is the output connector. Looks like that. Then I made the PCB and drilled the holes, solder all together, and it was ready for the enclosure. So next step is to mill holes for the buttons and potentiometer and things like that. So here is the middle part of the enclosure. So I draw all the holes for the buttons or the keys and made a really simple CAM program for just milling out those square holes. Nothing special. And the wider part, the upper part, is here, and it's similar. Here is the hole for emergency stop, the hole for the speed potentiometer, and the CAM part is very easy. It's just 2D contour to mill those holes out. So now I can feed the PCB into the enclosure and wire up the emergency button and the speed potentiometer and put all together. So you get here the finished product. Thanks for watching.